Have you ever wondered if a simple tablespoon of the right vitamin or mineral at bedtime could make your muscle strong? As we get older, our bodies work a little harder to maintain the strength and resilience we've built over the years. And yet, many seniors don't realise that a few key vitamins taken as part of a nightly routine can help muscles recover faster. Stay stronger and keep you feeling confident and independent. In this video, we're going to walk through 5 essential vitamins that can make or break your muscle health at night. And what happens if you skip these steps when you head to bed? Stay tuned until the end, because you'll discover not only what these vitamins are, but how just one small, thoughtful habit can support your muscles while you sleep and help you wake up feeling stronger than the day before. Let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin D. One of the most important vitamins for seniors looking to protect and rebuild muscle strength overnight is vitamin D. This is a nutrient that often gets overlooked in bedtime routines, but it plays a crucial role in the way your muscles repair themselves while you sleep. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium properly, but beyond that, it directly supports muscle function and regeneration. When you go to bed without enough vitamin D in your system, your muscles miss out on a vital part of the rebuilding process. You might wake up feeling weaker or stiffer, and over time, this can lead to a gradual loss of strength that's hard to get back. People around you may notice that you move more slowly or seem more unsteady even if they don't say anything about it. That's why adding just a tablespoon of a vitamin-rich supplement or food source at bedtime can be such a powerful step. Take, for example, a man named George, who was 72. George had always been active. He enjoyed walking his dog every morning and gardening in the afternoons. But after a long winter where he didn't get much sun, George found himself feeling more tired, and his legs seemed to lack the strength they once had. His doctor suggested he try adding a vitamin D supplement to his nighttime routine, and within a few weeks, George said he felt steadier on his feet. He was able to walk longer and with more confidence. What made the difference was that his muscles were finally getting the support they needed while he rested. It wasn't about taking huge doses or making dramatic changes. It was about being mindful of what his body was missing and giving it that small daily boost. The beauty of vitamin D is that it works quietly behind the scenes. While you sleep, it doesn't take much. A single tablespoon of a fortified food or supplement can provide what your muscles are craving. And when you make this a regular habit, you may find that your mornings feel easier, your balance steadier, and your energy more consistent. So if you've ever wondered why your legs feel a little weaker these days, or why stairs seem a bit more challenging, consider whether vitamin D might be the missing piece. A small, simple addition at bedtime can go a long way in helping you keep the strength that makes each day fuller and more enjoyable. Number 2. Magnesium. Another key vitamin that can make a world of difference in how your muscles heal and stay strong overnight is magnesium. This is one of those nutrients that often slips under the radar, but its role in muscle health is nothing short of remarkable. Magnesium helps your muscles relax properly at the end of the day, and that relaxation is not just about comfort. It's about giving your muscles the chance to recover, rebuild, and prepare for the day ahead when magnesium levels are too low. Your muscles may stay tense even as you sleep, which means they're not getting the full rest and repair they need over time. This can lead to muscles that feel tight, sore, or simply not as strong as they used to be. And here's the part people around you notice. Even if they never mention it, you might move more stiffly, take shorter steps, or show subtle signs of discomfort that quietly signal your muscles are not as relaxed and refreshed as they could be. Let me share a story about a woman named Carol who was 78. Carol had always been proud of her independence. She loved working in her yard, cooking for her grandchildren, and keeping up with her book club. But after a period of restless nights, she started noticing. Her muscles felt achy in the morning, and her usual activities felt a bit harder. At first, she thought it was just age catching up with her. But a friend suggested she try adding a small dose of magnesium at bedtime, a tablespoon of a magnesium-rich food or supplement. The difference, she said, was like night and day. Not only did she sleep more soundly, but she woke up feeling lighter, looser, and ready to move. Her friends noticed too. They commented on how she seemed more energetic and at ease, without even knowing what had changed in her routine. What's powerful about magnesium is how it supports not just muscle strength, but your whole sense of well-being at night. When your muscles can relax deeply, your entire body gets the message that it's safe to rest, to heal, to rebuild. That means you wake up, not just feeling rested, but truly restored. A simple tablespoon of a magnesium-rich option at bedtime can be the difference between muscles that struggle through the night and muscles that make the most of those precious hours. And as you move through your day, that difference shows in your steps, in your posture, and in your confidence. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 3, vitamin C, when it comes to keeping your muscles strong and resilient. As you age, vitamin C is one of those nutrients that quietly does its job behind the scenes, helping to protect your muscle tissue from damage that builds up over time. Most people think of vitamin C for immune health or fighting off a cold. But what's often overlooked is how this powerful vitamin helps fight the free radicals that can harm your muscles. While you sleep each night, your body works hard to repair and rebuild itself. Without enough vitamin C on board, that repair process can be incomplete. Little by little, the damage adds up, and your muscles may start to feel weaker, your movements less steady, and your energy not quite what it used to be. What's tough is that people around you may not say a word. They see that you're slowing down, but they're too kind to mention it. And you might not connect the dots between that missing vitamin C and the changes you're noticing in yourself. There's a fellow I knew named Leonard, around 79 years old, who had always prided himself on being able to do his own yard work and stay active in his community. But after a stretch of time where he hadn't been eating as well, he started to feel more fatigued, and his muscles seemed to ache more than usual. He couldn't figure out why tasks that had always been easy now felt like a chore. It wasn't until a nutritionist pointed out that his vitamin C intake had dropped that Leonard decided to add a small, consistent dose to his bedtime routine. Within weeks, he began to feel stronger. The soreness faded, and he had more energy for his daily walks. His neighbours noticed too. They commented on how he seemed more upbeat and steady on his feet, though they didn't know the simple change he'd made. What's so encouraging is that vitamin C doesn't require big changes or expensive treatments. A tablespoon of a vitamin C, rich food or supplement before bed can help give your body the extra protection it needs to rebuild your muscles more effectively. Overnight, it's a small step, but one that pays off each morning when you get out of bed feeling steadier, stronger, and more like yourself. And that kind of strength isn't just about physical ability. It's about the confidence and joy that comes from knowing you're taking good care of yourself in ways that really matter. Number 4, vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful ally that can help protect and strengthen your muscles while you sleep, though it's often overlooked in bedtime routines. This vitamin works quietly during the night to help reduce inflammation in your muscles and support the repair of any minor damage that might have occurred during the day. As we age, our bodies naturally face more challenges in keeping inflammation in check. That low-level, lingering inflammation can slowly wear away at muscle strength, making movements that were once easy feel just a bit harder. People might notice that you move a little more slowly or that you seem stiffer than usual, but they won't say anything out of respect. What they're seeing, though, could simply be a sign that your muscles aren't getting the nighttime support they need to bounce back and stay strong. Let me tell you about a woman named Dorothy who was 81. Dorothy had always been active in her church and enjoyed helping out at local community events. But over time, she began to notice that after a long day, it took her muscles longer to recover. She felt sore the next morning, even after what should have been a good night's rest after speaking with her doctor. Dorothy added a small dose of vitamin E at bedtime. It wasn't long before she started to feel the difference. The soreness eased, and she moved with greater comfort and confidence. Her friends commented that she seemed more like her old self again, full of energy and good cheer. What's remarkable about vitamin E is how it supports your body's natural ability to heal and recover. During the night, a simple tablespoon of a vitamin E, rich food or supplement before bed can give your muscles the tools they need to repair, refresh, and restore themselves while you rest. This isn't about chasing after youth or trying to turn back the clock. It's about helping your body do what it's designed to do. Maintain strength, reduce discomfort, and keep you moving through life with ease and confidence. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 5. B vitamins. Nighttime energy B vitamins are often thought of as daytime helpers, giving you energy to get through your daily activities. But what many seniors don't realise is that these vitamins also play a crucial role while you sleep, helping your muscles get the energy they need to repair and rebuild when your body is low on B vitamins. At night, your muscles might not get the full benefit of rest. The repair processes that should be humming along quietly while you sleep can slow down, leaving you feeling weaker, more fatigued, or just not as steady on your feet the next day. And while people around you may not say anything directly, they notice they might see that you're moving more carefully, or that you're not as quick to join in activities as you once were. And deep down, you might feel that difference too, but not quite know why. There was a man named Harold who was 84 and known in his neighbourhood for his cheerful nature and willingness to lend a hand over time. Harold began to notice that his energy just wasn't what it used to be, and that his legs felt heavier in the morning. After a chat with his doctor, he learned that adding a small amount of B vitamin support at bedtime could help his muscles get the fuel they needed to restore themselves overnight. With a simple tablespoon of a B vitamin-rich food or supplement before bed, Harold started to feel stronger in the mornings. His neighbours began to comment on how he seemed livelier and more engaged. Again, happy to be out and about, just like before. What's so wonderful about B vitamins is that they're not about quick fixes or big changes. They're about helping your body do what it already knows how to do. Keep your muscles healthy and your energy steady so you can keep living the full, active life. You enjoy a small mindful step at bedtime can go a long way toward protecting your strength and independence, helping you feel confident in every step you take. Final thoughts. Or as we come to the end of this video, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on these 5 simple but powerful steps we've discussed. Each of these vitamins plays a quiet but vital role in helping your muscles recover and stay strong while you sleep. What stood out to you the most was their one vitamin you realise you've been overlooking in your bedtime routine. This isn't about doing everything perfectly or making big, overwhelming changes. It's about taking small, thoughtful steps that honour the strength you've built over the years and help you continue feeling confident, capable, and independent every small choice you make. Whether it's adding a tablespoon of a vitamin-rich food or taking a supplement can make a meaningful difference in how you feel each morning. So tonight, when you're getting ready for bed, think about what small addition you can make to give your muscles that extra support they deserve. These simple habits don't just help your body, they give you the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're doing your part to stay strong and active. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learnt today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.